This man delivered parcel on streets of Mumbai. Last month, Meta had given him the position of CEO of the world's largest messaging platform, that is WhatsApp, 3 billion users. Who is this man? Why no one is talking about him? Let us know. Meet Kunal Saha. His family business collapsed overnight when he was a teenager. He had to do various works to meet the expenses. And here's the part that will make you rethink that he didn't go to any tier 1 colleges like IIT and NIT. He didn't clear CAT examination. He chose philosophy at Wilson College not because he loved Plato, but because the classes were ending at 10 a.m. and that left a whole day to build, to create, to think what he else can do or what other business he can carry forward. He even got into MBA at NMIMS, left after 1 year. Everybody said he was destroying his future, but he said he was building it. No degree, no safety net, but just real life experience. In 2010, he built Freecharge. In 2018, he built Cred.
It's like saying Rahul Dravid has anger issues.
Hey! That doesn't mean you can overtake.
17 million users backed by some of the global investors. He invested over 250 startups, named Razorpay, Unacademy Spin. And then came June 2026, Meta had invested nearly $900 million into Cred. Mark Zuckerberg had personally named Kunal Saha the global CEO of WhatsApp, used by nearly 3 billion users worldwide and 500 million Indians. The boy who delivered parcel on the streets of Mumbai, can you imagine? He was named the global CEO of WhatsApp. Just imagine. So 3 things that I learned from Kunal Saha is that your starting point is not the ceiling point. He started less than most of us. 2. Credential are one path but not the only path. He dropped MBA but still made $1 billion company anyway. 3rd, he designed his life around his goal. Even choosing college classes were pointing somewhat to a strategic decision. So if you're grinding today and thinking that nobody is watching you, he was delivering parcel one day to think about it. So success was never built overnight. It was built in the nights when everyone else was sleeping. With this, I conclude. Thank you.